What if your kitchen knew exactly what you needed to eat and how to cook it? Welcome to the world of AI-powered cooking. AI is no longer just for factories and labs. It's entering your home, helping you cook smarter, eat healthier, and even save money. Let's dive in. An AI-powered kitchen combines intelligent appliances, real-time sensors, and digital assistants to streamline cooking, reduce waste, and make meal prep smarter and healthier than ever. AI apps now analyze your health metrics, like blood sugar or calorie needs, to recommend personalized meal plans. You can eat to stay fit, manage diseases, or just feel better. Cooking assistants powered by AI can guide you step by step, set timers, and adjust heat for perfect results. Some can even recognize ingredients and suggest recipes instantly. With AI, your kitchen tracks what's in your fridge and pantry, reminds you of expiry dates, and gives ideas on how to use leftovers, saving food and money. So, would you trust an AI to cook your dinner? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more future food tech episodes.